Hello friends, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Ramchandra Kunduskar talking here from iShakti Health Center. So today I'm here to share the information about how to manage the chronic cold and cough conditions by using simple principles of Ayurveda. So friends, in general we are using the corticosteroids or antihistamine medicines from the modern medicines to manage this condition. But the fact is that friends, these medicines are just suppressing the symptoms and they are not actually treating the disease. What Ayurveda says that the mucus productions or the kapha element that is very important to manifest the disease of cold and cough present or produce into the stomach region of the abdomen. Suppose if you have a wrong food habit and if you have got wrong lifestyle or the climatic changes, as well as if you have got low digestive fire, so whatever we eat the food, especially those increasing the mucus like dairy products or fermented food, that will actually increase the mucus into the stomach level, and after some time it spread to the whole body. It also spread to the secondary area of mucus like nose, sinuses, throat and the chest. Yes, so these are the secondary area of the disease, and the primary area of the disease is the stomach or the abdomen. That's why we have to work on cleansing the toxins in the form of the mucus from the GI tract or the stomach. So this is very important or unique way of treating the disease of cold and cough by using this principle of cleansing procedure. The therapeutic purgation, therapeutic vomiting plays very important role in treating the disease. And once we achieve this cleansing procedure, cleansing techniques in good manners, then we can adopt some of the medicine that will work on the immune system, that will enhance our immune system and achieve a very good result in these conditions. So friends, if you want to know more about these conditions, if you want to know more about the diet part of this in cold and cough disease, as well as the herbal remedies, please do write in our comment box section. Till then, Namaskar.